I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Knight. We'll start by understanding his core abilities, Dragon's Breath, Dragon Tail, and Elder Dragon form, and how they synergize. Then, we'll cover essential starting items like a stout shield and tangos to ensure a strong laning phase. Finally, I'll guide you through effective last hitting and denying techniques to secure a significant gold and experience lead. Moving into the mid-game, your item progression is crucial for Dragon Knight's impact. We'll discuss prioritizing core items such as Armlet of Mordigian for damage and survivability, and Black King Bar for spell immunity. Next, learn how to efficiently push lanes and secure vital objectives like towers and Roshan. Finally, I'll show you how to engage in team fights, maximizing your Elder Dragon form's power to control the battlefield. As the game progresses into the late stages, adapting your item build becomes paramount. We'll explore how to choose situational items like Assault Cuirass or Satanic to counter specific enemy heroes. Proper positioning in late-game team fights is key. I'll explain how to initiate or follow up effectively. Lastly, we'll cover the importance of securing Roshan and utilizing the Aegis of the Immortal to close out games decisively. To truly master Dragon Knight, consistent practice is essential. Experiment with different builds and playstyles to find what works best for you. Observing professional players can also provide invaluable insights into advanced tactics and decision-making. Remember, every game is a learning opportunity. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.